Now, this is how you can do a black theme in a Snapchat using your Android. So let's get into it. First of all, I want you to have the Snapchat app obviously downloaded and ready to be used. You need to be logged in and everything, right? So once you do that, you can get inside and you can go ahead and tap on your profile picture in the top left. Then head over to the settings. And from the settings, you have so many different things to tweak and customize in here. But one of them is the appearance settings, and it is part of the main section at the top, right? So part of my account, you can find app appearance, and for me, I have it to match the system, right? So you have it like this, but you can also switch it to always light or always dark. It just means that no matter if your phone is generally in the dark mode or light mode, the Snapchat app may or may not reflect it. So this is where you can set it up and tweak it. As you can see, there is also a fourth option for custom app theme, which essentially allows you to customize it a bit more, but this is a paid version of Snapchat, and you can only do it if you are a Snapchat Plus subscriber. So it does make sense that some premium features are reserved for subscribers. So up to you to decide if you need it or not, but just know that this is where this can be managed. So let me know below in the comments if you figure it out or if you like what you see. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe so you never miss future tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next one in the future.